how to give access in Google Sheets to everyone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google Sheet or your spreadsheet. After that, fill up all the necessary details or the datas that you want. Then, what you will have to do in order to share the sheet is, here you see an option of share. Tap on it. First, name your sheet and then save it. After that, what you will have to do is go to this general access, drag down this button, and then go to anyone with link. Now, anyone can with the link can edit the sheet. Now, select done. Simply go to share again and then copy the link, send them the link, or you can also add them via their email address or your calendar, and they will be able to join the sheet and as well as they will be able to edit it as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.